Please be sure to support the video we reacted to today by clicking the link at the top. Enjoy the show. We're gonna start skip. Like, this is why I'm happy. This is why I haven't been reacting to him, because I do want to make sure I'm able to, like, skip a few. Y'all gotta go watch. Don't just freaking watch me watch him. Go watch yourselves and go like and subscribe. You better. Like, this is from a month ago. Freaking go watch it. I always link the video. And there's a little card at the top over there. You click on it, and it'll take you down to the description where there's a link to the video and the channel too, and everything. And I make sure it's on there every single time. So go do it. Go click it. Go like them. Go do it. You better, because then you're gonna make me look bad. All right? Don't be selfish. Think about me, not just yourself for once. I'm sorry. You're making me look. And I'm joking. All right, let's do it, my dudes. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Fails of the Week, my dude. Oh, here, let me turn on my little... The evening's getting darker. Let me turn on my little light so my camera can actually focus on my face. On my fugly face. All right, play. Oh, I like that old time rock and roll. Oh. Ah! Ah! That was on you all the way to the right. Okay, hello, welcome.
Oh my god, hey!
What happened there? Ah! Well,
there's my phone.
Yeah, there you ain't get that back. I'm gonna be real with you. Ow! First of all. Ah! Can we go back? Like, just... It's a little... I feel like my monkey brain would, like, fail to register the life-threatening situation. And trying to catch my phone, I would splatter. You see how he goes for the initial, like, reach for it, but then he's gotta pull the parachute.
There goes my phone.
Or at least hold on to it. Maybe it was already deployed. I don't freaking know. Oh, that's freaking scary, dude. That's a lot of metal. Oh. Oh no. Ah, dude. That's back problems for life. That's back problems for life. What was that? What were you trying to do there, exactly? What was that? Yo, that was in LA, wasn't it? Oh, maybe not. Where's that? Oh, that's epic, dude!
Oh my god.
Bro, you ever remember those scenes in Lara Croft video game where they're sliding down the river like a water? Bro, there you go!
Oh my god.
That's pretty epic.
I don't think I can do it.
I think you can do it. But then again, okay, well...
Okay. Suk is gonna do all of them. So he's gonna do the stand back one.
The stand back one? Well, so not the sit down one. Were you attacked by your own drone? Ow. Guy? Nope. I mean, you don't have to kick the toes at her. Uh-oh. Where was the driver, actually? Oh, he just walked off and left it in one drive? That's a nice car, too. Well... oh! The baby's too powerful!
Oh, there it goes.
There it is! Ow! I'm coming back for you! Oh, commit! Ah! You could have made it all the way through. What was that? Bro got excited! That was in reverse. I'm sorry, how? Pony! Bro, that is the flukiest pony.
Good boy, Guppy!
Yeah, Guppy! Who getting it? Who getting it? Oh, bro! Oh, the universe said no! The universe said no! I'm sorry, girl. Derek ain't having it. Derek says you just a thought. Oh. He's committed though.
Goodness.
You gotta stop.
What's he gonna do next?
Well,
He lost his trailer.
it has a backup camera. I'm pretty sure. I mean, that looks like the kind of vehicle that would have a backup camera. Hello. Goodbye.
Oh my god.
What about your god?
That's what I'm doing. Cheetah!
It was impressive.
Was that the trick?
No, but it was pretty impressive for what it was. See, that's why I don't trust me golfing. I would never trust myself golfing.
Was that the trick?
See, I would never trust. See, I know I'm gonna do that. I know I'm gonna do that. That's why I don't want to do it. Oh! You always need somebody holding your ladder, bro. Ow. Ah, even word freaking took. Oh, my coccyx! Is that how you pronounce it? Was that what it's? I better freaking check that, or otherwise YouTube's gonna freaking flag me. That must be very cold. Oh, yes. Oh, I wish she would freaking pull me up like that.
A pearl.
Bring the wine, though.
Go! Oh.
I mean, you're sitting right in the middle. What did you expect?
Doing?
Yeah, she wins. I mean, you took a hit like that. Yeah, you better freaking win. Dun 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 dun. Ow! Come on, you got this. Oh, the sandal flew. Oh, she alright, she alright.
Jim, we gotta move the couch. Here, let me up.
Hey, bro, y'all been watching Lion King too often. Long live the king!
What's happening?
I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it, my dude.
Is this supposed to be coming out?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's supposed to stay sealed, my dude.
Okay, it's gonna fire. It's gonna fire.
What are you doing? You're burning the house down.
I don't know. No.
Someone call your mom. Tell him your dad's on the. Your dad's lost it again. Where is he? What was that? What was that ending? What the frick? What was that? What was shoveling? What was the snow about? What? Great video, my dudes. Great video from Fail Army. I can't love it, my dudes. Great video. Please like, subscribe, to Fail Army. What am I saying? Great content, my dude. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch. Live reactions every Friday, so swing by.